Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I am so pumped up for today's video because I cannot believe that I haven't done one of these ever, It's almost going to be 1 year that I have this channel. It's crazy. I know I am going to host a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. This year was so good. I have got 1000 subscribers now. Currently it's 1200 subscribers. I thought that I'll do a giveaway when I have crossed 1000, but then I thought what better than the day when I have started this channel. So yeah, it will be on 21st May, so stay tuned for that. All the giveaway posts will be uploaded on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me there, and let's get started. So today's video is going to be a monthly favorites video, and I'm going to talk you guys through everything. The products are not necessarily launched this month. These are the products that I'm enjoying using this month. So if you want to know, then stay tuned and let's get started. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's very important. The first product is this skin mist, and I know I might have talked to you guys, I have shown this product to you guys in my summer skincare videos. This is the bomb product, okay? I love using this. This hydrates the skin, no matter if you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, sensitive skin, does not matter. All you need is this one to make your skin hydrated. Also, I believe this helps in clearing out the skin. I have seen the results myself and on few other people as well. So this is AYURVEDA Pure Vetiver Water, 50 ml, and retails for 250 rupees only. So I am using it like a ritual. So make sure you get your hands on this. This comes in a full size as well. That comes for I think 900 rupees. If you don't want to invest that much, give it a try. Buy this 250 rupees 50 ml product and you will be good to go. Also, if you want to know what's on my lips, then you have to go to my Instagram again. The second product that I have been obsessed is the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Blur Plus Smooth Primer. Oh my god, like where was this and why didn't I use it earlier? This is so good, and I'll just show you guys the texture of it. This is how it looks. It's very smooth and very creamy, and it disappears like that. It really blurs out your skin. It's not thick at all. This won't make the skin oily, I believe, because I don't think this will make the skin oily. So this says visually blurs tone imperfections, smooths fine lines, primes skin for smooth start, lightweight, non-oily, exactly non-oily, and does not clog pores. So what else do you need from a primer? I love it, and this one is for 650 rupees. You will always get this on discount from Nykaa or on Myntra. So yeah, the second monthly favorite is this one. The third product is again from Maybelline, and this time it's a foundation. It's this one. This is called the Fit Me Pore Plus Matteless Foundation. This is the exact same version of the full size, the glass bottle, but this is a lot lighter. Again, I have mentioned this in my summer skincare videos. It will be linked down below or somewhere on the screen, or you can just go and check it out. And this one is a lot lighter. My shade is 128 Warm Nude. Comes for 299 rupees only. Quantity is 18 ml. Again, a very good foundation for summers. You don't want to apply a heavy duty foundation, cake it on your face and look bad, So this is my third pick for my favorites of this month. The next is going to be, I think you guys already know how much I love it. This is the Fit Me Loose Powder. There are 3 Maybellines, guys, so Maybelline is there for the win. They're definitely not fooling around. So this is a Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know where to start. All I want to say is get your hands on this one. Just go and grab 5 of them in case they stop making it. This is so good. I'm in the shade 20, but I think I could go for a shade lighter, but still this is okay. This is just my skin tone. This is how it looks. Camera focus. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is the best powder I have ever used. So you can see this is pigmented, and it's so smooth, so airy, but this is so smooth, you know. I'll choose this over anything. This is for 695 rupees. They have 4 shades, starting from the lightest. They have number 15, which is light, number 20, which is light medium, number 25, which is medium, and number 30, medium deep. Oh my god, I have another Maybelline product. So guys, do you want to see a one brand tutorial with Maybelline? I would love to do that. So the next products, okay, so I never repurchase lip balms because there are so many lip balms out in the market. Like, I think a new lip balm is launching every day maybe. So I never get to repurchase one lip balm because I always get something better than that. But this one is actually what I have repurchased. So these are the Bright Out Loud from Maybelline Baby Lips. They retail for 175 rupees, and I'll tell you why did I repurchase this is basically Benetint, but you just have to omit the 0 from it. I'll just show you the swatches. So this one is Vivid Peach. You can see how pigmented it is, and this has mint. I live for mint, guys. Anything that has mint on it, I'm like, I'm gonna grab that. This smells really nice. Whenever you put it on your lips, you will feel that it's nice and cool. Yeah, and the second shade is Beaming Violet. Again, a very beautiful purple shade. And now I'm going to tell you why I said that this is Benetint. This leaves your lips with beautiful tint, you know, and the tint will last you for the whole day. I am in freaking love with these are so good. I just carry it wherever I go because, you know, on the go, if you have to touch up and you don't have anything, or on the days you don't want to wear a lipstick, and a lip balm is going to save you from that because you have applied a lip balm, and then when it wears off, it's a beautiful tint that's on your lips. Because I hate washed out lips, because when they're dry and they don't have any color, they just turn out to be ashy or maybe just dark in the outer corners. I hate that look. I cannot stand that look, and I have immense love for lip tints. And so yeah, these two are my favorites. I'll just show you guys what tints am I talking about. So I'm going to take a tissue, press it on them. Look at that. Did you see? It's beautiful, and on your lips it's even better. And only for 175 rupees, guys. Give it a try, you might just like it. Okay, so now the 6th product is this one. This is a body roll-on from REXONA. This is the Shower Fresh Underarm Odor Protection 48 Hour Sweat Guard. So I'll just show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's a roll-on. It retails for 100 bucks. It's very important because it's summers. Even if you can't smell your own underarms, you might just kill someone else standing beside you. So make sure you just don't do that. Be nice to people. Use a deo, a roll-on. What I like to do is I use a roll-on first and then spray a deo on it, so it just becomes really long lasting. And REXONA is, I have used other roll-ons, but this one is so good. They have 0 alcohol, they're cheap, and it just lasts for such a long time, and you can actually reapply them if you're wearing a sleeveless top or something, and it's very gentle on the skin. I haven't, yeah, and this is cooling as well. So I have problem with smells. I cannot take anything that is too perfumey because I'll just feel like my head is going to burst. I cannot take harsh smell, and this is so mild yet very effective. That's my 6th pick for the month. So now moving on to hair care products. I have quite a few of them. So first let's talk about the serums. So these are the 2 serums that I have been obsessed with right now. I already have told you guys about this one and how to use it and what it does for your hair. If you have checked out the summer hacks and tips video, you already know why I love this. So I'm not going to talk like much about this one, but yeah, I have been obsessed with this product. The next one is fairly a new product that I have tried out recently. This is the L'Oreal XTENSO Care Serum, anti-frizz, anti-breakage and anti-dryness. I have used the shampoo from this range, the shampoo and the mask, and guys, I'm a fan. I am a legit fan of that range, and so I decided to try this one out. So first let me talk about the packaging. This is a glass bottle, and it has this nozzle which is locked. It is so travel friendly. You have to rotate it and then like take the product out and then lock it. It won't get leaked or anything, I think so. So this is a great packaging. It retails for 575 rupees. And if you have dry hair, if you have dry ends, if you have done some treatments or straightened your hair, you know, any kind of thing that might have damaged your hair, I love using it like in the ends of my hair and basically all over my hair. This gives such a beautiful shine to my hair. My hair had almost lost its texture and luster. It was so lifeless, but this one has changed the game for me. If you have the budget, then definitely go and try this one out. I think you guys will love this. The next one is a conditioner. So this is the L'Oreal Paris 6 Oil Nourishing Conditioner Scalp Plus Hair. This is the 6 oil formula for 6 benefits: strong, smooth, shiny, soft, thick, manageable for dry and dull hair. So yeah, I have dry hair. Usually. So I love using this one. Normally L'Oreal shampoos, I do not like using L'Oreal shampoos normally, unless and until they are from the professional range, because otherwise every shampoo tends to make my hair so dry and frizzy. I just cannot use them. But this is the one that I'm loving currently. This is the conditioner, not a shampoo. This is so good, makes the hair so manageable, and it retails for 185 rupees only for such a big bottle. If you have dry hair and if you want to manage it and use a really not so expensive conditioner, go for this one. This is so good. And I'll tell you guys why I got this. So during the winter time, I was facing a lot of oil in my hair. I don't know why, because it was really abnormal for me to happen. I have dry hair, but I don't know what happened. It might have been any hormonal issues or something like that. My hair was dripping oil. It was so oily and it was sticky. My hair was like limp. It was like a dead cat. It was so bad, so I had to choose something that would give the volume back to my hair, because I could not use the existing shampoos that I was using. Mostly they were for my dry hair and my frizzy hair, so I had to switch it up. That's why I decided to go for the Wella Professionals Volume Boost Shampoo and Conditioner. This gives your hair some nice texture and volume. If you have like really limp and oily hair, you can definitely try these two out. I'll just quickly talk you guys through the MRP of this. So the shampoo is for 620 rupees and the conditioner was like similar, I think 600 or 500, I don't really remember, and I cannot see the price anywhere. So yeah, this has worked really great for my hair, this shampoo, but I don't really know if I will ever repurchase the conditioner, because what I saw is whenever I used to use it, initially for 2-3 washes it was okay, but then the ends started to get so dry. They were lifeless. They did not have any moisture whatsoever, and then I discovered it's because of this conditioner. I forgot what it is called. So yeah, this is because this conditioner. Now again, maybe my hair was coming back to its normal form. That's why if you have really oily hair, like if you have born with it, then definitely you can go for this. This has a very interesting packaging. So you can see this is half empty. So this bar pushes the product up, and when you press the nozzle, the product comes out. It's a gel. Let me just show you guys. So you can see it's just a clear gel. It looks like aloe vera gel. It has a very different texture. If you guys have it and if you like and if you use it, you will know what I'm talking about. It has a very weird texture which we are not used to, because conditioners are like creamy and nice, but it's not like that. But yeah, if you have oily skin, you can give this a try. While this shampoo is so good, this is again clear like the conditioner, but I think I have loved this one the most after the L'Oreal XTENSO. So yeah, I love this one. And also guys, I have left using Tresemme because I was having so much hair fall Then someone actually told me that Tresemme weakens your roots, so maybe that's the reason I have totally stopped using Tresemme. But this is the one that I've used. I have seen that my hair fall has reduced, but also I am using a lot of good oils like coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil, all of that. So it may be because of that. But so I replaced this one with this one so that it's balanced. It is taking off the excess oil and it is giving back the required nutrition to my ends. So yeah, that was it for my monthly favorites. I really enjoyed sharing all of this with you guys. If you did, do not forget to let me know, and also let me know that what is the product or what is the thing that you guys are loving this month. I will love to know that.